Namaste, Honorable President, distinguished delegates, members of CSIT family, and the gracious host of San Marino. Greetings from India. It is a great honor to stand today on the historic and peaceful land of San Marino, one of the world's oldest republic, a nation that represents freedom, democracy, and dignity, values that deeply resonate with the spirit of India. Sports, a bridge of globally unity. Sports are not merely about competition. They are about connection, bringing nations, cultures, and people together. In India, we are sports as an instrumentation of nation building. It inspires discipline, teamwork, leadership, and unity values that transcend boundaries. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision for sport. Sports have become a national priority in India through initiatives like Hello India, Fit India movement, and the Target Olympic Podium scheme. Indians nurturing a culture where every child is encouraged to play and every athletic support to excel. The role of the Indian Amateur Boxing Federation behind the CSIT. Olympic 2036 India commitment. India has formally expressed its interest in hosting the Olympic Games 2036. For us, it is not just an event, it is a national aspiration and a symbol of India's sporting resilience. San Marino and global cooperation. San Marino stands as a shining example of how a small nation can inspire the world through its values and achievement. India and San Marino share a commitment to peace, cooperation, and human development. Through the CSIT platform, international sports solidarity and open new avenues for cultural and athletic exchange. I want to demand for our President and General Secretary and all CSIT members. Boxing is a very big event in India. Our association affiliated 1 lakh boxers in our federation. So many cities invited very big program. And like you, World Game, this is my one city game. So I want 2 or 3 favor of you. Inclusion of boxing in the sports calendar 2025-26. We privately meet our sports director yesterday and our general secretary. So we want it is proposed to formally including boxing in the upcoming CSIT sport calendar for the year 2025-26. This inclusion will provide athletics with greater international exposure and create new opportunity for competition and development. The integration of boxing will help identify and nurture emerging talent through a structured and recognized platform. Second point, to establishment of an Asian Confederation under CSIT. Now we listen, Asia is not attend some person before you. So I talk to you to promote coordination, governance and development of boxing across the Asian continent. It is proposed to establish the Asian Confederation under the auspices of CSIT. This body will enhance cooperation among Asian countries, strengthen regional competitions, and encourage technical collaboration and exchange. And third and last is very important. India's bid to host the CSIT Para Indian Boxing Championship in the month of March 2026, if our technical director and our president permit. So all is possibility in India at our national capital, New Delhi. So we organize India attends to submit an official bid to host the CSIT Para Asian Boxing Championship. This championship will not only provide a global platform for para-athletics, but also promote inclusively, equality and the spirit of fair play across the sporting world. Lastly, only one thing, our Prime Minister and the Sports Minister especially sent to me in the CSIT conference. If you permit me, San Marino conference is very good conference. This is my first conference. So I tell you, I am with you always and all activities. India is a 140 crore population country. So we want, this is Asia's bigger country. I want many competition in India for CSIT, under the CSIT and the International Olympic Committee under CSIT, and we want to show our country is very good country and a very good player for boxing. So I especially all of you invite in my country boxing playing. Last month we organized a 5-night Fiesta 2-day event. Then 2,000 boxers participate in my program. So thank you for my submission to you and all of you to chance India Aspect and Ordinary Congress, 47 Congress. Next year, we want you, all of you come in India for next Congress.
Okay.
Thank you. So, we are proudly, CSIT is good forum. India is the first time member, and if you permit me, is your ex-com. So we